Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. In case we have the same denominator, which is the number down, the addition or subtraction, the addition or subtraction will be the easiest thing to do. All you have to do is keep the denominator the same and add or subtract the numerator only. Let's take an example. All what we have to do, since we have the same denominator, the denominator will stay exactly the same, and all what we need to do is simply add the numerators. And 3 plus 1 is 4, and that will be the final answer. That's how we do it. Let's take another example. In this case, again, since I have the same denominator, I will keep it as it is and only subtract the numerator. It will become 8 over 12. Now here I notice that I can simplify my answer. Always, in case you can simplify your answer, go ahead and do it. I can divide by 4 up and down, and the answer will be simply 2 over 3. Very good, that's how we do it. Let's take one final example. In this example, again, we have the same denominator. I will keep it as it is and add only the numerator. 8 plus 5, that's 13. Here I'll have 13 over 13. And in case I have the numerator and the denominator equals the same number, that means the answer is 1. And that's how we do it. Now, let's take a look on how we work with mixed numbers. In case I have it like this, I will do the whole numbers alone and the fractions alone. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and here I have 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is 4 over 3. Now here, if you notice, I have the fraction here is improper. I need to turn it into a mixed number. So the 4 over 3, after the long division, it will become 1 remainder 1, which means it is 1 and 1 over 3. So in this case it will become 3 and 1 over 3. All you have to do is simply join the whole numbers. 3 and 1 will give me 4, and the final answer will be 4 and 1 over 3. So it's just like the normal addition. All you have to do is add the whole numbers alone, fractions alone, and in case you got an improper fraction, you turn it into a mixed number, join the whole numbers together, and you will find the final answer. Now let's see what's going to happen in subtraction. In this case, again, since I have the same denominator, all I have to do is whole numbers with whole numbers, fractions with fractions, and let's see what's going to happen. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 over 7 minus 2 over 7, that will become 3 over 7. There we go. That's it. I have no problems, no issues. The subtraction is done. But let's take another case. Let's say they gave me 3 and 2 over 7 minus 1 and 5 over 7. Before you start your subtraction, I need you to check the fractions. Can I subtract the fractions? I have 2 minus 5, which I cannot do it. So in this case, we will borrow from the whole number. I'm going to take 1 from the whole number, the 3 will become 2, and add the denominator to the numerator. What it will become? It will become 2 and 9 over 7 minus 1 and 5 over 7. And this shall fix this problem, and now I can continue my subtraction normally. Whole number minus whole number, a fraction minus the fraction. So 2 minus 1 is simply 1, and 9 over 7 minus 5 over 7 gives me 4 over 7, and that's how we do it in this case. That will be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, you can put it down in the comments below.